Hey there, space enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating development in NASA's Artemis lunar mission. It's a big shift, and one that has me thinking about the future of space exploration and our presence on the moon. So, NASA has decided to put its plans for the Gateway project on hold and instead focus on building a lunar base. This is a major change in strategy, and it raises some interesting questions. Personally, I think this move is a bold one. NASA is prioritizing a long-term, sustainable presence on the moon's surface, which is a different approach compared to the Gateway, which was more of a stepping stone. By going straight for a base, they're aiming for a more permanent and robust infrastructure. The plan is divided into 3 phases, each with its own focus. Phase 1 is all about getting to the moon reliably and frequently, with an increase in lander missions. This phase will also involve scouting potential base locations at the lunar South Pole. Phase 2 is where the base building begins, with the development of essential infrastructure like communications and power systems. This phase will also support crewed missions, which is a crucial step towards establishing a permanent human presence. Phase 3 takes us into the future, with routine logistics missions and even cargo return trips from the moon. This phase truly opens up the possibilities for long-duration human exploration and scientific research. One thing that immediately stands out to me is the potential for innovation. NASA is looking to develop new technologies, like the MoonFall drone, which could revolutionize how we explore and navigate the lunar surface. It's an exciting prospect, and it shows NASA's commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible. However, this shift also means saying goodbye to the Gateway project, at least for now. The Gateway was designed to support crewed landings at the moon's South Pole, but NASA has decided to focus its resources on the surface. It's a strategic decision, and one that might raise some eyebrows, but NASA believes it's not necessary to achieve their primary objectives. In my opinion, this move showcases NASA's adaptability and willingness to rethink its approach. It's a reminder that space exploration is an evolving field, and we must be open to new ideas and strategies. So, what does this mean for the future of space exploration? Well, it's an exciting prospect. A lunar base opens up a whole new chapter in our journey to the stars. It's a step towards establishing a permanent human presence beyond Earth, and that's a truly remarkable achievement. As we look ahead, I can't help but wonder what other surprises and challenges await us on the moon. It's a fascinating journey, and I, for one, am excited to see where it takes us. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive into NASA's lunar plans. I hope you found it insightful and thought-provoking. Until next time, keep exploring and questioning. End of video.